All right, so you want to start and grow a YouTube channel. There's a ton of opportunity on YouTube right now. I know it can be overwhelming, scary. There's probably a lot of things going through your head right now. And the important thing is setting a stretch but achievable goal. And so if you were to say, I want to monetize my channel, which requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, that might take months, if not years, to reach that amount. Or if you set something really small, like 10 or 20 subscribers, you could probably get there with friends and family. 100 is a good metric to shoot for. That means you've got your friends and family signed up, plus you're starting to actually get subscribers from your videos. Also, when you reach 100 subscribers and you've had your channel for over 30 days, you can choose a custom URL for your YouTube channel, something like this for our channel. Okay, so today I have 13 tips for you to help you get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. The first 6 tips have to do with your actual channel, what to do with your channel page to help you get additional subscribers, and then the following 7 tips have to do with your content or the videos that you're creating. Also, if you stick around till the end, I have one bonus tip related to how you could potentially use YouTube ads to get additional views and subscribers to your channel. Okay, so now I want you to think about your actual YouTube channel and why would someone be on that specific page or pages. So what happens is someone was probably watching one of your videos, they probably liked it, then they clicked on your channel icon or your channel name because they wanted to know more. And so the important thing here is that you give them as much information as possible to know what your channel's about, what type of content they're gonna see, so they can make a decision on if they should subscribe to your channel or not. So tip number 1 is create a custom YouTube banner. So if you want help with this, we have a video that I created about how to create your YouTube banner. I'm gonna link to that up above here. But basically, to give you the basics is you probably want a picture of yourself. You wanna have information about what your channel's about, your logo, and how frequently you're putting up videos. So for example, if you're watching this video right now, we're talking about YouTube. Is our channel just about YouTube? Is it much broader than that? You know, what are we gonna talk about? Also, we have a video on, say, on Canva, how to do graphic design. If someone were watching the Canva video, they might think our channel is just about graphic design. So if that person was watching our Canva video and they clicked on our channel icon, then they would see that our channel is basically about how to help entrepreneurs grow their business online. And so they know it's a bit broader than just Canva, and they can decide, hey, do I wanna subscribe to this or am I looking for something else? Tip number 2, add one of your videos as a channel trailer. So we don't normally create a specific trailer that's like a 30, 60, 90 second pitch of your channel. We usually choose one of our most popular videos, a video we want to promote, or as your channel grows, you can actually go into YouTube Analytics and find which of your videos gets subscribers. And so if you put the video that's getting the most subscribers for you as your channel trailer, when someone gets there, they're gonna see a video that a lot of people watch and wanna subscribe. So we generally recommend adding one of your popular videos as a channel trailer, what video represents your channel, and when someone gets there, they'll see the banner, they'll see the trailer, and hopefully they'll subscribe to your channel. Tip number 3, organize your channel with playlists. So some of the worst channels as far as making a decision to subscribe or not, basically is the banner has like a beach or a city landscape or something like that, and then below that has just one playlist, which is essentially the latest uploads. And so if our channel was organized that way, you would just see videos about YouTube, being that that's what we've talked about most recently. But you wouldn't know that we have videos about graphic design, about email marketing, and a bunch of other topics. But if you look at our channel right now, you can just scroll down through the different playlists that we have and you have a pretty good idea of the type of content on our channel. And so again, just think about what are the different topics you're gonna create videos on and organize it by playlist, and then put those playlists on your channel homepage. Tip number 4, add links to your channel. The important thing here is you'll have your channel art that we've been talking about, and then off to the right hand corner, basically what you'll see is you can add up to, I think, 5 or 6 different links. And so we use it, one is to get email subscribers. So we have a free personal branding training that we have up there right now that someone can see that, click that link and sign up and give us their email, which is another great way to help you grow your channel. But again, if you think about someone visiting your channel page, they want to know more about you. And so if they can click on your Instagram, your Twitter, your Facebook, your website, wherever you're most active, you can put those links there, and that again gives people quick access to more information about you so they can make the decision, do I want to subscribe to this channel or not? Tip number 5, write a channel description. This is something that's going to show up in a couple of different places. The first place is in search results. So if someone is searching for something related to your channel or searching for your channel name, the channel shows up and the first couple of lines of your channel description. Also, if someone's visiting your channel and they click on the About tab, that's also where your channel description shows up. And so you maybe want to write around 100 words. It doesn't have to be super long. Also break it up into short paragraphs so that it's very easy for someone to skim. Here's Brian Dean from Backlinko's channel description. You can see he writes very short paragraphs, and if you kind of skim through it, you can see that his channel is basically about growing on YouTube and through SEO. And then the very last line is a pitch to subscribe to his channel. I would recommend using that as an example of what you could write for the description for your channel. Tip number 6, create a channel watermark. So this is something that shows up in the bottom right-hand corner of all of your videos. You can choose the exact second that it shows up. This you'll find right below the channel icon and the channel banner. And what you want to do here is just create something that looks like the subscribe button. That's the easiest thing. It doesn't confuse people. Some people try to get really cute and create something, very elaborate here. And if the average person on YouTube doesn't realize that they can mouse over it and subscribe to your channel, it's confusing people. And so if you just create something really simple that's YouTube red that says subscribe, people will see that through your entire video and be thinking, hey, if this video is good, maybe I should subscribe to the channel. So write watermark down below in the comment section. I'm happy to share with you a link so you can use a watermark similar to the one that we have on our channel right now. Okay, so now moving on to the tips related to your content and videos. So tip number 7, if you haven't uploaded any videos to your channel yet, we recommend uploading 3 videos in the first week. And the reason for that is people don't generally subscribe after watching just one of your videos. Sometimes it takes a couple of videos. If you put out one video today, another video a week from now, all the people that see videos in the first week don't have any other content that they can watch on your channel. And so if you create enough videos to put up 3 videos the first week, you do want to space them out by 48 hours. So maybe upload videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, the very first week, even if you're not planning on uploading that much consistently, but getting 3 videos up on your channel spread out by a little bit will help. So if someone visits your channel, there's a couple videos there. Also, your videos may show up as suggested videos to whatever one of your videos they're currently watching. If you want help learning about how to upload videos to your channel correctly, check out this video that I'll link to up above. Tip number 8, create videos on topics that people are searching for. So we have a whole video related to YouTube SEO. I'll link to that up above right here. But what I thought might be helpful for you to understand a little bit better is where do views come from on YouTube? And there's 3 places: suggested, browse, which is essentially the YouTube homepage, and search. So with suggested videos, you'll probably get a lot of views as your channel grows when someone watches one of your videos and YouTube will suggest they watch another one of your videos. But if you don't have a ton of videos on your channel yet, you're probably not getting suggested views from your videos. And if you're a small channel, you're probably not showing up as suggested videos on other people's videos yet either. The next place is the YouTube homepage. So usually you'll show up here. If someone has watched one of your videos, YouTube will suggest other videos of yours there. Also, if someone subscribes to your channel, they'll probably get suggestions to watch your videos on the YouTube homepage, or if you have a viral video. So again, you have a small channel, you're probably not going to show up on the YouTube homepage all that often. So that leaves YouTube search. So if you create topics that people are searching for and you're showing up in search results day in and day out, new people are seeing your content every single day, and that's a great way for you to grow your channel. Tip number 9, niche down, especially initially. So imagine you want to create a channel about wellness, exercise, eating well, things like that. The thing is, if you were to create a video on keto diet, yoga, running a marathon, best running shoes, 6-pack abs, imagine someone watches the yoga video and then they want to watch more of your content, so they go to the channel page, and then there's just videos all over the place and they actually don't want to watch content on that. There's only one yoga video. So think about, how do you focus on one small niche for, say, the first dozen videos? You can begin to little by little branch out from there, but you essentially don't want to create content that your subscriber didn't subscribe for. For example, right now on our channel, we're going to create another 10 or 20 videos about YouTube before we really start talking about other topics. And the reason for that is someone can watch one video about YouTube and another and another. And if someone watches 5 of your videos, there's a really good chance that they're going to subscribe to your channel. So especially as you're getting started, just pick one area that you want to focus on and create the first 10 videos on a very narrow niche. And then when people come across one of your videos, chances are they'll watch several, and then they're going to subscribe to your channel and you'll hit your 100 subscriber goal. Tip number 10, create custom thumbnails. So as you upload a video, if you checked out our how to upload videos video that we put out recently, you'll see that YouTube will choose basically 3 images that you could use as a thumbnail. The thing is, these generally don't describe the video all that well. And so if YouTube is gonna put your video on someone's screen, there's gonna be a bunch of other videos, and why are they gonna click on your video? That's why you wanna create an amazing image that describes your video, and so they see it and they're like, yes, I wanna watch that. They click on your video and they watch it, then they watch other videos of yours and they subscribe. So definitely invest time and learn how to create great thumbnails and create one for each one of your videos. It'll really help you get a lot of additional views. And when you get views and people like the content, they're gonna subscribe to your channel. Tip number 11, keep people watching videos on your channel through cards and end screens. So as we were talking about before, someone's probably gonna have to watch a couple of your videos before they decide to subscribe. So if you're watching this video of ours and we have other videos that are related, you should tell people that and add it as a card. So for example, we have a video about YouTube tags. So if you wanna know the importance of YouTube tags, check out the video that you just saw up above. This helps someone watch this content, find something that's related, and then watch another X minutes of another video on my channel, and hopefully after a couple of views of our videos are like, hey, this isn't too bad, so maybe I should subscribe to this channel. So cards are one way, and then also end screen. So you don't want to tell people, hey, by the way, well, to wrap up, you don't want to let people know that your video is ending. So we put this end screen up. We kind of end our videos abruptly and we say, hey, watch this video. And by doing that, someone is watching your video, they don't realize they're getting to the end, and all of a sudden there's another video to watch, and they're like, yeah, I've got time, I can watch that video too. And again, you've got someone watching several videos, and the chance of them choosing to subscribe is much higher. So don't forget to use cards and end screens to get more views on your videos. Tip number 12, ask the viewer to subscribe to your channel. So you can do this in a couple different ways, some more subtle than others. The more subtle way is like this. So you can have an animation come on screen that has your channel icon, the subscribe button, and the bell notification. You can see those being clicked on while you're just going through your video. This is a subtle reminder, hey, if you're liking this content, you might want to subscribe. Another more proactive way would actually be to pitch to someone why they should subscribe. So you don't want to just say, subscribe to my channel. You might want to tell them why, and they're more likely to actually do it. And I wouldn't do this at the beginning of the video because chances are this is the first video on your channel that they're watching. So they don't know you, they don't know if they like you, they don't know if you're going to provide them any value or not. But if you do this later on in the video, make a pitch to them on why they should subscribe. So for example, on our channel, you're watching a video about growing on YouTube. We're actually going to put out 20 more videos in 2020 about how to grow your YouTube channel. So if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, consider subscribing to our channel. And just something simple like that is enough to kind of push someone over the edge to go from passively consuming your content to hitting that subscribe button and getting to your 100 subscribers. Lucky tip number 13, respond to all of your comments when you're just getting started. If you have 1 million subscribers and millions of views on all of your videos, you're not going to be able to do that anymore. But as you're getting started, each commenter is a person on the other side, and you want to get to know them. What are they looking for? Why are they watching your channel? How did they get there? What else would they like to see on your channel? Have a conversation with them. Get to know them. So imagine you have 100 subscribers. That's 100 people. Imagine talking in front of 100 people all at the same time. This is your opportunity to get to know some of your first subscribers, figure out what they're looking for, figure out how you can help them. And those people that have those early interactions with you are probably going to watch all of your future videos. After they've had a conversation with you, they're more likely to leave other comments on other videos, which also helps the YouTube algorithm. So definitely respond to your initial comments. Hopefully your channel gets to be too big in the near future that you just don't have enough hours in the day to respond to all the comments. But when your channel's small, just respond to everybody. Okay, bonus tip. So as you're just getting started, or really any time on YouTube, you could use YouTube ads to grow your channel. The really cool thing is there's a bunch of different ways to create ads on YouTube. One of them are called YouTube video discovery ads, and those show up in search results, they show up in suggested videos, and there's a ton of targeting options allowing you to choose the exact person or someone watching a specific video to target and show them your video, and they can decide if they want to view it or not. The nice thing with the analytics on this, it'll show you what they call earned views, earned likes, earned subscribers. And so an earned subscriber is someone who watched the video that they saw in your ad and then subscribed to your channel. Also, earned views are someone who clicked on the ad, watched the video of the ad, and then actually watched another video on your channel. This is a great way if you're just getting started, maybe you have some extra money that you could invest in growing your channel, to get started with YouTube ads and give your channel a little bit of a boost as it's just getting going. If you want to learn more about YouTube ads, leave down below in the comment section something related to YouTube ads, and I'd be more than happy to create a video on the topic. Okay, so to follow up on things we talked about earlier, if you want to learn how to show up in search results for both YouTube and Google, check out our YouTube SEO video. I'll link to that right here. Also, don't forget to create your custom YouTube channel art, and I'll link to the video about that right here. Until next time, bye-bye.